7 friend. Today I will share with you a beautiful double color knitting pattern.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the pattern we're going to learn to knit today. This is a 2 colors knitting pattern. You can use this pattern in your ladies sweater, cardigan, and you can also use this pattern in your gents sweater, right? And this is the way it looks like on the front side. See, and the wrong side looks like this. Right, so this is only 8 rows repeat pattern and you need to cast on multiples of 6. Right, so let's begin. So for this demonstration I have 24 stitches on my needle, and before we start our actual pattern we're going to knit one row with only stitches and another row with all purl stitches, right? So after these 2 set rows, now we're going to start our actual pattern. So we're going to start with our row 1, right? So row 1, right? So for row 1 we're going to switch the color. We're going to use our second color. This is our first color, right? This green. Use our second color, right? So for row 1 we're going to knit 2, 1, 2, and then we're going to start the repeat. The repeat pattern is slip 2 and knit 4, right? So slip 2, 1, 2, and then knit 4, 1, 2. The repeat pattern, slip 2 and knit 4. We're going to repeat this repeat pattern for all the way across, right? Again, slip 2, sorry, knit 4, knit 4. And for the last repeat you end with slip 2 and knit 2, right? So we're going to slip 2 and knit 2. Row 1 and now for row 2 with the same color yarn, our second color, we're going to purl 1 and 2 and then slip 2, and then slip 2 and purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to slip the slip stitches and purl the purl stitches, right? These 2 are slip stitches. We're going to slip 2 and we have 4 purl stitches here. We're going to purl 4, purl the purl stitches, right? These 2 are slip stitches. We're going to slip 2 and we have 4 purl stitches here. We're going to purl 4. So we have finished our row 1 and row 2, and now for row 3, slip off this first white stitch and then we're going to knit like this, right? White stitch and then we're going to knit like this, right? And then now we're going to knit this knit this white stitch first from the back side first, and then we're going to slip this green stitch, right, and then knit 2, 1, 2. For last repeat we're going to slip this green stitch and knit white, and here knit this white stitch and slip green, right? And now at last we have 1 stitch. We're going to knit, right? So now for row 4 with the same color yarn we're going to purl all stitches, So we have finished our row 4, and now for row 5 we're going to switch the color. We're going to use our first color, right? So for row 5 we're going to knit 5, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then our repeat pattern starts from here. The repeat pattern is slip 2 and knit 4, slip 2, 1, 2 and knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the repeat pattern. Slip 2 and knit 4. We're going to repeat that 2 more times. Slip 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip 2, and for the last repeat we're going to knit 5 instead of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? Here we have done first 5 stitches, we have knitted first 5 stitches, and then we have done purl 2 and knit 4, and slip 2 and knit 4, slip 2 and knit 4, and for the last repeat we have, right? So for row 5 we're going to knit 5, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then our repeat pattern starts from here. The repeat pattern is slip 2 and knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip 2 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip 2 and 2, and for the last repeat we're going to knit 5 instead of 4. Then purl 2 and knit 4, and slip 2 and knit 4, slip 2 and knit 4, and for the last repeat we have done slip 2 and knit 5, right? So row 7 we're going to knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 with the same color yarn, our first color, right? And now we're going to start the repeat from here. So we're going to slip this white stitch first, and then we're going to knit this green stitch, and now we're going to knit this green stitch first from the back side, and then slip this white stitch, see, and then knit 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat pattern from here to here, right? And we're going to repeat that again. Slip white stitch first, and then knit this green stitch, and knit this green stitch first, and slip white and knit 2, 1, 2. Again slip white stitch first, and then knit green stitch, and knit green stitch first and slip white, right? And we have last 4 stitches. We're going to knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now our last row, row 8, we're going to purl all stitches with the same color yarn, with the first color yarn, right? So that's the one repeat pattern we have done. We have finished that, right? See, this is the one repeat pattern. See, now after you finish your row 8, now we are going to continue repeating your row 1 to row 8 until you reach your desired length, right? See, and after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. See, so please give it a thumbs up if you like this pattern, please, and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.